sponsor on the flyers. Well, this time you see chefs on the two sides of the flyer. Trust me, man, it's going to be a wonderful. I mean, it's going to be wonderful because it's the first of its kind, the first ever something like that. Going in a Jamaica where chef on top of chef on top of chef, and all of it is food. I call food. Yes, they give you a little sample a while ago too. So we look forward to that. So, yeah man, and we give thanks. I want to say next month, I ref that, and I go say I ref you know. Cutting edge and Stephen Razor will be broadcasting from St. Lucia. Yeah. St. Lucia, watch it, we come in. Cutting Edge and Stephen Razor will be there. And August, we are line up there. Cutting Edge coming from Spain. Yeah, I tell you something about tour with it. You know. We are lining up for Cutting Edge and Stephen Razor come from Spain. But we are talking to them about that still. But in the meantime, in between time, I will come and give you what we usually do. Yeah, what we usually do. You know, there's a lot of music out there can play. Yeah, a lot of music, but guess what? Some of them distract them lazy. Them hear it and just push it aside because it not sound like the no thing. And I want to tell the DJ them, you know, that them make the no thing, you know. You think the no thing just comes up? Nah man, that them make the no thing.
Yeah, I'm going to stop on the decide
what is what and what is not. Whether them they on sound system or them they on radio. This chat them decide what is what. So if you hear a song and you have to say it's not in line, and you will put it in line.
Bone, you know?
Because you have the power and you will put it in line. We are talking about making the music.
Yeah man.
And the DJ.
For the knee bone.
And the radio and the sound system that
pork chops, you know?
Make the music go out there.
Because some of them fat, yeah?
People say, them give the people what them want. Well, the people them don't know what they want until you give them it.
Yeah, leave some of the fat them, you know,
don't play like a chicken and egg, which one come first, you understand? Where I say, the DJ
then we are going to wash it
have the power
with your lime and your vinegar.
For really decide.
You know the thing go at the Top Chef, look at that.
Listening of the people who turn on the radio, I go to dance. So, because you feed them with something, when you bring something else for them, you know, them reject
go on for the weekend.
Them want to hear what them used to. So you fall for the trap now, you say, alright, give the people what they want.
This, put it aside for now.
Here is the end of that.
Get your lime. Well, go on today. I cook some pork chop and I show you a bad way, isn't it? I say? If you have a pork chop to run, go get your pork chopped right now. Make sure you wash it neat and nice, isn't it? I say? Look at that. At the Top Chef. Alright. Done with that now.
That is wanting.
See that? Pork chops. And ice on, you know? You like it? I'm showing how to butter up it. Preheat the oven at 390. You see me I say? Preheat the oven. I preheat the oven, you see me I say? Give me a second.
But some of them might say gone too far already. I will come by the man and can't go that evening. No. Until you're all talk, but you can't go by the man and can't go that evening. If it's bad in the morning, you can fix it in the afternoon and make it come right when it's supposed to go in the evening.
Okie dokie.
How much are we
Ready to rock and roll now.
The music will reflect where I go on in the society.
When you cut off your thing then I know, isn't it?
Of course, the music will reflect where I go on in the society. But what? Through the music will reflect, you know.
Well, go on, Marquis. We are deal with. We are cook some food in the night here, you know. Some pork shoulder, you know what I mean? You know the thing though. When the top chef a cook, you see me? You know the thing go and how the thing look. You know I say everything good?
It can make a lasting.
You see me?
A lasting.
You don't know you take off the outer layer off of the scallion. Or you don't know some people call it green onion. You see me?
One another helping each other.
Then you wash them, you wash everything before you use them. You see me? I say? You know the thing go.
Because I remember in the 70s and 80s when the music was what it was supposed to be. The influence that it did have. And gun was prevailing in those times. Murder was on the rise and all these things. But the music was stirring the people them. Stirring them. That's somebody keep saying this thing out.
Wash your scallion, you see me? I say you wash everything that you use.
But we now have upset. We now have upset. Now we know the power.
Yes, to the vegetable, you see me? I say?
Look how dark.
Now I see everything?
The music.
Alright.
Dark.
Just cut up.
When we say dark, we don't mean the complexion.
We're going to stuff the pork shoulder with these.
You feel uncomfortable when you watch them. Yeah, man. Everybody have a gun or a planting finger like a gun or something.
You lose a finger, you know, on a laugh, you know. You see me? Nobody laugh if you lose a finger. You see me, I say? Because the thing live, I cook live, because this can't spoil, you see me? I top chef I cook it. Make sure you know follow the page. As long as you know watch it live, follow the page, you see me? All of your Jamaican recipes. You know the thing go. I really have some time. You know the thing go time, you know? Time, you wash your time. You know what I say? Wash your time, make sure your time wash good. You see me I say?
Queen Elizabeth the First. Did you know that Queen Elizabeth the First did have a disease that took over the whole of her face? That she did have it permanently.
Alright, you know the whole faithful onion, you see me I say? I do like onion, feel like that thick, but you know, it give the food flavor.
You might say her face white. Because that is how she hide the stripping off of her face to the public.
Yeah man, big up on yourself and know the thing. You see me I say?
What's up guys, Aldo here with Prager U. Today I'm in the Texas State Capitol in Austin where protesters have gathered for the How Many More rally where they're demanding action be taken to secure our southern border. Let's go talk to some people. Why are you here today?
This is a critical issue for the sovereignty of our country.
I'm here because I am adamant about us getting our border secure.
I'm tired of the border being wide open and all the, like this says, sex slaves and fentanyl coming through.
You explain your sign. Your sign says every American should be enraged. Talk to me about it.
Because this should not be a partisan issue. This should be a bipartisan thing. It should be political.
Oh, go on,
Everybody should be
Pamela.
upset
Stay
about
with
trafficking and drug cartels.
Easy.
she never have no teeth.
What go on out there?
Elizabeth the first, she never have no teeth. All her teeth,
What's for dinner tonight?
Because she is what we call unhygienic people.
See me
And
say?
you want to hear the biggest part of it.
Size up
She
your onion.
asked for bag. Yes. It was said that Queen Elizabeth made twice per year. Because in them days they used to have a whole heap of oils and perfume for the eye to smell. And because them is royalty, them can afford to do it. Queen Elizabeth the first me I talk about.
Some garlic.
Somewhere them
You know what
can
I'm
tell you.
Want your boss one jump on that. So it a shell out easy. Yeah, man.
The most vicious thing them about Africa and African history.
Use a couple
And
more
where
clover.
Idi Amin never do. And where Mugabe never do. But them big up all Shaka Zulu, them bring up all Shaka the Zulu with something like the barbarian.
Yeah.
That them do in history.
Making some pork shoulder today. You know what I mean? Stuffed pork shoulder. So right now we're cutting up our garlic. We cut up some scallion, some onions, some thyme. Yeah, now we're cutting up some garlic, you see me? You see me just dice it up, man. Yeah, follow the page, you know the thing, go look at that. Dundyplace, you know, the TopChef. It means they cut up everything together, you know what I mean? What's up? What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner? What you all cooking tonight?
The poor could have none because they never have no bathroom and no water. As a matter of fact, a whole heap of the royalties them used to wipe up themselves. I know me I write them things in and them.
Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man.
And them I write it.
At the TopChef, you know? Make sure you all following the page.
If them go write that
Cooking some pork chops.
and show it.
Some pork shoulder, my bad.
Fabulous, as you see, Queen Elizabeth the first. In a show and in a movies and
You see me, I cut up some garlic right now.
Face was a monster.
You see me, I say?
That small pot did it have. I don't remember small pots. One of them pots.
You see me, I say?
Open her mouth. No teeth. Yes.
Yeah, man, we cut up everything nice and fine, man. You know the thing, go.
But them don't send out them things to you.
Make sure you all following the page, you
Them
know?
don't teach you in English. Them don't teach you English. British issue them tell you about Cromwell and...
So now we have some pepper, you see me, I say? Some Scotch bonnet pepper, straight from Jamaica, you know what I mean? Conch. No, I never cook conch. It's because I don't really like conch. I don't really cook conch, you know what I mean? But I think I can cook it. I can cook anything. Check the page out. Got a lot of recipes on the page, you know what I mean? Big up yourself. Right now, some pork where I cook right now, some pork shoulder. So you see all these stuff I'm cutting up, I'm gonna stuff it in the pork shoulder, you know what I mean? That's a pepper. It's gonna be spicy, you know? Alright, so you clear your area, work area.
And take care of it. And it grow like in the wild of the jungle. So them call it jungle.
Take that up.
We have jungle and we have forest. So them have this youth and raise them up.
You gotta clean the area.
And then get to conquer the jungle.
Yes, that's Scotch bonnet pepper, you know what I mean? Where you from? And I'll let you know if you're in the Bronx, you can find it all over the Bronx, any supermarket. You know what I mean? See the pork shoulder? See the pork shoulder? You see me? I took the bone out the pork shoulder. So look how we are going to do this thing now. We are going to season this, you know. You get some pimento seed. You know pimento seed, right? Oh, New Orleans. Oh, I'm not too familiar with New Orleans, you know. But if you maybe you can order it and it come to you. Check online and see. Some pimenta, you know. You think a lot of flavor, that's pimento seed, you know. Pimento seed. Give your food a lot of flavor. Order it online, man. You must find it, man. Order it online. You get anything online nowadays. They come right at your door. You know what I mean? So you see it now? Don't be scared to get your hands dirty, you know what I mean? You season it. Because we're going to use this to stuff the pork shoulder. You see me? Don't know, we have kids in the house. I give a lot of trouble right now. You see me? Season it. You see me? Yeah, big up on yourself, you know, all who tune in to the Top Chef, you know what I mean? My name is Top Chef Dundyplace. Check my page out. You know what I mean? I cook Jamaican food, you know what I mean? Wagwan, real authentic Jamaican food, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I'm the Top Chef. This thing now. Alright, we'll put it in the fire. Get your fire pan, because you want something to maneuver. See your pork shoulder. You see me? Get a little small knife. Get that out of the way. Make sure you can see everything. Alright. So this right here, we got some onion, some scallion, some garlic, some thyme, some scotch bonnet pepper from Jamaica, you know what I mean? And right over here we got the pork shoulder and we season it with a little flavor, you know what I mean? Some island seasonings and stuff. You can get your jerk sauce, you know what I mean? You know what thing go? Big up on yourself. Get a little spoon. Drop a little flavor in it. It's really hot. It's very hot. Very, very hot. Alright. Then you season. You're gonna start the season. Remember, this is pork, you know, so you need salt and stuff to get the flavor out, you know what I mean? Don't be scared to get your hands dirty. You know what I mean? Your hands can wash. Yeah, man, this is a pork, man. It's gonna need a lot of seasoning, you know what I mean? And then you okay. Oh, I'm looking over here. Yeah, man, this is the pork. You season it generously. Alright, you're gonna get your knife now. Make some holes. You make some holes all over. Cause we're gonna stuff it with our scallion and our onions. You know what I mean? Anywhere you can put a hole, just put a hole in it. Anywhere. Try not to make a hole in that damn thing right there. See the piece of meat, man, so nice and, you know. Don't worry, I ain't gonna cut myself. Make some holes. You know what I mean? A lot of holes. Don't worry, I do this a lot, you know what I mean? I won't cut myself. Yeah man, make sure you not follow the thing. Make sure you're following the page, yeah man, it's TopChef Dundyplace, you know, you stuff it. You stuff the holes that you made with all the vegetable. You know what I mean? Yeah man, big up all who watching right now. If you're watching right now, let me know where you're from, Tell me where you're from and what you're cooking tonight. What's for dinner? Yeah man, just stuff it man. It's gonna be all over the meat, man. Give it a lot of flavor. Don't forget your pimento seed. Your pimento, your scotch bonnet. Yeah man. Like want some more oil, right? Oxtail. You want to make oxtail tamiko? This ain't oxtail though, this pork shoulder, you know what I mean? Best. You just scatter the rest over it, stuff it as much, you know what I mean? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Alright. How we looking there? Yeah man. You know the thing though, it's the TopChef, you know, make sure you all following the page. You know what I mean? Click that like button 1,000,000 times. You know what I mean? Make sure your oven is at 390. You know? Make sure your oven is at 390, then we'll get some carrots, you know what I mean? And put carrot, give it a lot of flavor. How me stay? How am I looking right now? So you don't know, you cut your carrot and you scrape it, you know what I mean? Big up yourself in Jamaica, you know the thing though. Cut up your carrot. Don't worry man, it'll give it a lot of flavor man. Think one carrot is enough, you know? I like carrots though. How am I looking, guys? How am I looking? You get a potato. You see me I say, and peel your potato. You know the thing go. And cut it up in it, you know. Some big chunks. You're just gonna leave it there. You ain't gonna mess with it. You know what I mean? Where you guys from now? Come to Wisconsin and do a puzzle. We have a Jamaican restaurant, but I want to taste the TopChef. Tamiko, one day I'm come to Wisconsin and mash up the place, you know? Because you know I'm the real TopChef, you know what I mean? One day, they cut up some big chunk, you know? Come on. For you all who just are joining, this is pork shoulder, you know, stuffed with pimento, onion, scallion, thyme, you know what I mean? We're getting ready to put it in the oven right now. You know what I mean? We're gonna cook it and eat with some rice, you know what I mean? Later on I'll come back live when it's ready and show y'all how it's done, you know what I mean? The real Top Chef way, you know what I mean? So the Jamaican do it. You see me? Yeah man, how me stay? How I'm looking right now? Yeah man, big up Tamika man, enough respect, you know? Know the thing go. Yeah man, go on the page and you get full recipes. Any Jamaican meal you want to cook, I give you step by step instructions on how to cook it, you know what I mean? So the oven is ready right now. It's well hot. Well hot, you see me? I know the thing though, you know? Big up on yourself, all who tuning in right now. It's the Top Chef. We're about to cook some. We just prepared some pork shoulder to be put in the oven. Yeah. You know the thing go. At the Top Chef, look at that. Look at that. How am I looking? Yeah man, big up on yourself man. We're about to put it in the oven. And when it's done, like, check back with me in the next 2 hours. And it will be nice and tender and oh my gosh. Yeah man, this is the Jamaican way how we do pork shoulder, you know what I mean? Go on my page and you get the full recipe. You see me? Big up on yourself at the Top Chef. So, we gotta get ready to put it in the oven if we have enough foil paper. So, let me show you again before I put it in the oven, you see it? Take it in, man. Pork shoulder, well seasoned and stuffed. You know what I mean? Yeah man, it's ready to go in the oven now. Isn't it? Woo! Alright. Yeah man, get the seasonings, you know what I mean? The pimento, that's what I use. You know what I mean? And your jerk sauce, that's what you need. You know what I mean? And you flavor it up. You know, we have some Jamaican flavor. Big up on yourself, you know what I mean? The Top Chef is out. Hit me up back in the next hour and a half. You know what I mean? I'll be live again. Big up on yourself. I Dundyplace, the Top Chef. Look at that. Yo, make sure you like the page and follow the page, yo. Big up on yourself. Sure no what go on. You see me? In the oven. Ready. You see me? I say next 2 hours we're ready back again. You see me? I say you know the thing go. Big up on yourself, you're perilous. Big up yourself, you know what I mean? We are cook some pork shoulder, you know the thing go. And we drop it in the oven. You see me, I say? You know the thing go, man. I done the place, man, at the Top Chef, man. You see me? Make sure you know I follow the page, you know. And then make sure you know how to cook rice. You know how to cook rice? Alright, I can show you how to cook rice, you know. Alright. You don't want much rice than that. You see me? I say, yeah, go wash your rice now. You see me? Wash your rice. Put some thyme in the rice. Some butter. And you know the thing go. You see me? I say. Yeah, man, I done the place, man, at the Top Chef, man. You see me? I say. But you know, say we're gone right now. Until next time. Check back in the next 2 hours. You see me? My daughter, they are give you trouble now. Big up on yourself.